Oh my goodness.
Is that good?
Woo! Really? I think you're exaggerating a little bit.
Y'all don't know what you're missing.
Oh, yes, we do.
It's going to be a long eat right here.
Oh, no.
It's just one bite.
Well, too bad you only have 5 minutes until class.
Mmm.
Ah!
Oh my word.
Oh, shut up. You're so full of it. Go away.
Woo! Oh, it's so good. 2 bites. You're recording.